Hi everyone, this is Evan, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Windows 10 operating system and the Linux operating system Ubuntu distribution. I'm going to do a quick comparison of just the overall characteristics of each for this video. So this video will cover just the Linux distribution. So this is the Linux Ubuntu distribution's desktop. First, I should probably clarify what the distributions are. There are many distributions of Linux that are all based on the Linux kernel, which is kind of the core operating system. There's other ones called Fedora, Red Hat, Mint. There are many others, but this is the Ubuntu distribution, which is actually one of the most popular ones. So I'm going to do a quick demo of the desktop here. So it's very different from Windows in the fact that we have a dock here instead of a taskbar, although I guess maybe it's not too similar. At the very top we have another bar with our time, battery percentage, and access to other tools like that I frequently use, like email, and also volume controls, and access to frequent applications that I use that access the sound settings, like Spotify, which I use pretty frequently, and also access to my network connections, which I'm running right now. And I also, of course, have my recorder, my Kazam recorder, which is currently running. So this system is open source, and it's really great for a lot of developers to access. One of the most powerful options with this system is the ability to use the terminal, which is something that is included on all Unix systems. And essentially this allows you to install software, install and apply updates to the system. So it's a little bit less user-friendly than Windows is. It has less features than Windows, but it's still a very good operating system, and it is very easy to download off the internet. So I'm going to show you guys a quick. I don't really know many commands. All I really know is how to install new software and apply updates to the operating system. So you have to know the commands in this distribution. You have to know if you use super user mode, which is su do. Then you type in apt get, which is specific to this distribution, and then you go update. It's going to prompt me for a password. I'm going to authenticate to the system. I'm going to press enter, and it's going to install new packages. So this is basically going to update the operating system files. So this is it's going to do that. It's going to go to 100%. It's going to say it's done. And now if I want to actually install some of the new software that the operating system has found, I'm going to type up sudo apt-get upgrade, and I'm going to be prompted to approve the use of additional disk space, and then I'm going to install the programs if there are any. It's good to do this frequently, and just like Windows Update will frequently install the packages, you can manually search this way for them. You can also access the Ubuntu software store, which is kind of like the Microsoft Windows Store. You can click that, and it has access to a lot of different applications and different things, and also you can manage your software, and your system updates will appear at the top here. Now it doesn't look like this is loading right now, but this would essentially display all of the different applications available on the oh, looks like they're running here. So there's all kinds of different, there's categories, same as you would see on the Windows Store, and they're all here, which is something that's unique because not all Linux distributions have an application store. So that's a really handy tool with Ubuntu. So and also, just like Windows, we have a this would be like your file explorer. This is called, let's see, this is just called Files, and it has access to all your different folders that you have, documents, everything. You know, videos, desktop settings, everything is right here for your file systems. Now if you want to actually access system settings, you click on the Systems button, and you're going to see all your system settings that you can change here. You can perform backups, software and updates and everything, manage user accounts just as you would on a normal Windows system. Please excuse the pinging in the background. Sorry. So anyway, this is just a quick tutorial of what this is like. It's very different, but in a lot of ways it's just as powerful as Windows. The only flaw I've found with it is that because it is open source, the battery life has taken a significant hit and declines very quickly. If I take it off the charger, it's going to drop very quickly. Now, that could be just a prospect of the fact that this laptop is very old and the battery could be worn out, but it is possible that the operating system is making it run down too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.